So because I wanted to have a massive candy cane through the head of this makeup, I quickly went out and bought some card and some red sparkly card, and I started making this. And obviously I stopped at the top when I realised this is massive, this is too big, even for me. So the very first step for this makeup is going to be popping on a latex ball cap. So I'll pop a link... No, I was going to... Is it there or there? Fuck! So I'm going to take a Makeup Forever Flash palette. So I'm going to take a Makeup Forever... So I'm going to take a Makeup Forever Flash palette. You don't... Oh. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever... So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Flash... So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Flash palette and you... Oh, for God's sake. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever... So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever... Forever Flash palette. Makeup Forever Flash palette. Hello. Okay. Next tutorial. Oh my god, I'm going to choke. Fuck. Good start, Charlie. Good start. 10 out of 10. Oh! Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hello. Hello. Hello, Fluffies. I'm about to start a... Wait. Pardon me. Whoa! But the very first person that requested this makeup was many a lion. But the very first person that requested this makeup was many lion. Was many a lion. Was many alien. But the very first person that requested this makeup was many a lion. Oh, oh no, oh god. Oh my god, my hat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. I stopped myself from sneezing. I only choked. Oh my god. The hat stopped me from sneezing. It has power. Oh god. You. Or walk through a cave full of wasps. Oh, I'm joking. I spat fucking everywhere. Shit.
Spray and pray.
So the very first step for... So the very first step for this makeup is to be pop... So the very first fucking step... I'm just going to leave it in, fuck it. The first step, put a ball cap on, just... I can't even fucking... Okay, right. New rule, no more Red Bull before tutorials. So then, I can take a Krolin TD paint stick in 3W, and I'm going to apply that all over my face, not my neck, and not my ears. That's not my neck, that's not my ears. Fuck's sake. New studio, but the same old fuck-ups. Pardon me. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do something now, and it's going to go in the bloopers, and I don't bloody care. Blue steel. Fucking what? Ah, oh, Zoolander. Perfect. Supernatural is uncertain. You don't know what's going to happen. Mouse is broke. Blooper. If you did want to make your own prosthetics like I have with my nose, I'll pop a link on the screen up there and in the description bar below that will take you to a video that I did a little while ago now just to teach you guys how to make your own that will take you to a video that I did a little while ago. A little while ago now, it will just teach you guys how to make your a little while ago now, that will take you to for fuck's sake. A little while ago now, that video for fuck's sake. The spoopy phone.
All ready? Do you wanna
Fuck.
Yeah. No.
Propositioned. I think I just felt my soul escape from my body. Cram it back in. Cram it back in.
Already?
Really? Not really in the budget.
Do you want to answer it?
Fuck nuggets. So because I wanted to have a massive candy cane through the head of this makeup, I quickly went out and bought some card and some red sparkly card, and I started making this. And obviously I stopped at the top when I realised this is massive, this is too big, even for me. Nah, just realised something. Look, I'm so cold, my hair's turned blue. Nah. That was so lame and I love it. So just make sure that any lines you draw... Bless you. Oh no! What?
Other friends
Oh,
have
Jesus,
flown
wait.
before. On the morrow, he will leave me as my hopes have flown
Oh
before.
my god, I can't hear. That was really loud. That was perfect, but really loud. Sorry. So to get... That's my phone. So to start things off, I'm going to pop on a plain latex ball cap. I won't show you how to do that in this video because the video will be super long otherwise. Hi, Safi. Safi wants to say hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Do you want to be in the video? I think so. Moo. Moo. Hello.
Up on the housetop, click, click, click. That was dumb. Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Ow. Up on the housetop, click, click. I think this will be the good one. I'm sorry, Charlie. I'm sorry. Okay. Up on the house. Oh, gotta look at the camera. Gotta look at the camera. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, that makes me look like I got elf ears. Up on this. If you use a dumb one, Charlie, I'm gonna choke you. Okay?
This I whispered, and Echo nodded back the word. Lenore!
Oh shit.
Really this, and nothing.
I'm so sorry. I dropped my... That was perfect. That was so good and I fucked it up. I'm so sorry. Oh, right. One more time. I won't fuck it up this time. I'm going to sit there. I can't believe I did that. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm not going to move this time. I'm not going to move at all. I'm just going to sit like a fucking robot. Okay. And I'm cosplaying as Pinkstylist. That was lame, but I'm going with it. Cosplaying, Stylist, Pink, hi.
Yeah, this is all fake, as you can see.
Just grab my double chin. Blooper. Did we just get to second base? I think we did. I think we did. Oh my god.
Well, I stroked your foot.
Pardon me.
This and more I sat divining, with my head at ease reclining on the cushioned velvet lining that the lamplight glowed o'er. Whoa! Hell yeah!
It's a foam latex prosthetic that's in 2 pieces. I'll take it out and show you it better in a second because right now I'm going to talk to you. I'll take it out of the package in a second just to show you what it looks like properly, but I want to talk to... In a second I'll take it out of the package to show you it properly, but I also want... Oh, for God's sake. I'll take it out of the packaging and show you it properly in a second, but the next thing I'll talk to you guys about... I'll take it out of the packaging in a second to show you it better, but for now I'm going to talk to you about the second thing that I'm going to be using, which is a latex bald cap. I'll do that all again.
Down through the chimney with good sight, Nick. We're never going to be stars, are we? One more time, ready? Down through the chimney with good sight, Nick. Down through the chimney with... Down through the chimney with good sight, Nick.
My bow's falling.
That means you're growing up, doesn't it? Down through the chimney with good sight, Nick. Hey! Down through the chimney with good sight, Nick.